St. Columba Orthodox Church in Fernley, Nevada is a Western Rite parish of the Russian Orthodox Church outside Russia. Ministering to his people and the community there in the high desert, Father William Bauer also shares with us some lessons learned.
Well, I've been talking to you about various things, one of them being Christ is calling. And he calls just about everybody. Some people can hear, some people can't. I hope you can hear. I hope you're ready to hear the word. Maybe you had an atheist education. Well, if you went to public school, you certainly did. But maybe it didn't darken the entire brain that you got. Maybe you still look up. Maybe you wonder why we're here. Maybe you even want to go to heaven. Well, it's not mechanical. It's not even logical. I mean, love isn't logic. Just ask anybody else who's in love or has been in love. But a lot of people have figured out that God is love. And you know what? He loves you. He loves me. God knows why, but he does. That's the way he is. And today I'm going to talk about heaven and earth. Earth I'm pretty familiar with. Heaven, I haven't seen it yet, but I got an inkling of what it's going to be. You look at the media or listen to them, and all they talk about is, well, we're going to die. Well, you might going to die. Well, the sun came up this morning, but it might not come up tomorrow. The truth of the matter is, the reason that we have trouble doing the right thing is that we're always worried about dying. And you know what? If you listen to Jesus Christ, you've got the answer, and you're not going to be worried anymore. Death won't be a nightmare. Death will be just a phase of something that you pass through. In the beginning, God made heaven and earth. And from the very beginning, he had you and me in mind. There's a place in heaven to which we aspire, and a place in heaven to which we would be welcome. Do you believe the statements you've heard in school about, well, it was... I went to a Catholic school. That's my problem. See, we talked about God. But I heard about evolution. And so we've got all of this heaven, hell. Is it real? Well, how many things do you think happened by chance? Did your car assemble itself together by chance? No. Somebody designed it. A being designed it. Do you think the universe happened by chance? It just kind of happened that way. How did human beings become human beings? By chance? I don't think so. Matter did not organize its own structure and evolve by chance. Look at the complexity of everything around you. There's an answer. The answer is Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, the Son of God, came to earth to give us the message. The message is, you don't have to die. You're going to go through the process, but that's not the end. Come with me. Elementary logic says there is intelligence outside of this world. And I'm calling you to take a listen to God. Maybe you're in a personal hell. I've been to one. But the good thing about a personal hell is it's temporary. We've got hope. And there is a revolt going on. There's a war going on every single day. It's in your mind and my mind. Listen to God. You, in the eyes of God, you're not a piece of a machine. You are his love. Everything you do to him is priceless. God himself, in the guise of the second person of the Trinity, came into the world to show us how to live, to show you how to live. And after he did that, he was crucified. What did he do next? Came back to life. You're going to do it too. Don't believe the all-powerful goddess of science. Believe what's real. And what's real is Jesus Christ is calling you. You can talk about and think about matter. We're here in the middle of it, but matter didn't self-create. To deny the existence of heaven is to deny all things which don't fall into the orbit of what you can see, feel, touch, smell. I've only got 4. I know there's another sense. Science tells us what we can see, feel, touch, smell, measure. That could be a good one. But there's more. There's more to life. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God. The Word was God. The same was in the beginning with God. All things were made by him, and without him not anything made that was made. In him was life, and the life was the light of men. And the light shines in darkness, but the darkness often does not comprehend it. How can darkness confine light where matter confine the spirit, or atheism destroy faith and annul freedom? The heavens count each one of us, one by one. Every one of us is a unique and irrepeatable creation. Listen to that.
Father William Bauer is the rector of St. Columba Orthodox Church in Fernley, Nevada. The music you hear is Teller of the Tales by Kevin MacLeod, Incompetech.com, licensed under Creative Commons by Attribution 3.0 license. This has been a Western Rite Radio production. Please find us at WRORadio.com.